Soothing green tea and apple cider vinegar rinse for irritated scalp. Green tea is widely known for its numerous health benefits, but it also works wonders as a natural scalp soother. When combined with peppermint oil and apple cider vinegar, this rinse helps calm irritation, reduce dryness, and promote a healthier scalp environment. For this mask, you will need 1 cup of brewed green tea, 2 drops of peppermint oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool to room temperature. Add peppermint oil and apple cider vinegar, then mix well. Massage the mixture into your scalp, ensuring even coverage. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes to allow the nutrients to absorb. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this rinse regularly to refresh and soothe your scalp, leaving your hair feeling clean and revitalized.